everyone! Welcome back to my channel Cinderella Fashion and Style. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to give this video a like, also share it with your family and friends. Today, I'm going to talk about crochet bags and why I love them so much. Crochet bags are a great way to add some color and texture to your outfit. They are also very versatile and can be used for different occasions, such as shopping, traveling, or going to the beach. Crochet bags are easy to make and customize, and you can choose from a variety of patterns, sizes, and shapes. You can also use different types of yarn, such as cotton, wool, or acrylic, depending on your preference and the season. Crochet bags are not only stylish and practical, but also eco-friendly and durable. They are a perfect accessory for anyone who loves crochet and handmade items. That's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. And leave a comment below to let me know what you think of this video or what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.